Mid-Lake Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wind Point to Kenosha to 7 nautical miles southwest of Pleasant Prairie, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will move through near shore and open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.